Xavi FS Hub. After we shared a breakout from a descending trend line, price have moved on to create a 170 pip from our point of entry on buy, and that was a nice analysis. And let's look at the market on a daily time frame. And already we know on a monthly time frame the bias is bullish, but in my private observation of the structural movement of SE, I discovered something very important. And let's hope that plays out 100%. So here we have descending trend line and a breakout from a descending trend line on daily after price updating with a demand floor. Then we have another demand floor 2, then another one, demand floor 3, and another one, demand floor 4 before the breakout from the same trend line. I will have retest almost every day. Price have to touch the roof. Now, the problem is buyers are still holding on. But let's look at it from a supply point of view. We have here a support structure. This is a support structure. Price came down, tap liquidity from ascending trend and broke the structure. And a return after disrespecting the support floor, not holding, we found support at the previous support. This is the structure and daily. Market is dynamic. So now when price return again after break of structure, price has returned here at 2607, 2608, 2606, another area of demand. This is the price action daily support level in the month of October was broken. Price return broke the supply roof, but when price return respected the demand floor on multiple times before break the structure. And it returned again, disrespected the structure, and when it came back finally, it respected it today. Now the point we want to make here is there is a very strong price action at this level. This price action will be the litmus test for buyers to see if they have all it takes to climb back to the buying floor. All buyers are seeking for is to return to this trend line. The return of price into that trend line is the buying floor. Now at the moment the market remains bearish, seeking for correction, correction incomplete. So what we want to see here is that price returns to this floor. If price returns here and then start buying. But let's look at it critically to see that we have the structure unretested. So at this structure, if you switch on your line chart, you will see the structure is evident. At this level, we have supply roof, respect of a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns on demand, and respects a demand floor, break of a demand floor, price return due to the liquidity present split, disrespected the structure, and when they return, it disrespected the structure, then it became a supply roof. The previous broken demand floor becomes a supply roof and break the structure. And so the multiple times before breaking the structure. It broke the supply roof, returned out demand, tested once, broke the demand floor, and the bearish impulse took price out of the structure. As a result of that, it played out of the ascending trend line. Price has retested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in technical, it looks like SAU and daily today is already gone. Tomorrow is the monthly year. That might be a push into this level with the double confluence. And most times, price moves on double confluence. So at this level, it will trace its way down, either to return to our previous floor. Two things are going to happen tomorrow. Or as you see, close of the year ignites a good bullish potential when price now return here. So these are the two things that we expect for SAU to do. So we'll be watching it to see if price will manage to break out from that structure. But from the look of things, there's double confluence at that level. The presence of that double confluence will hinder buying potential. But if price manage to break from that structure, SAU most likely will break down. And if buyers return to the buy floor, then they will now want to go higher. So what we want to see right now is a price breaks that structure. So if we break this structure and we trade up, at the moment you see that price will come to 2,644, like I earlier said in all my posts, and we respect that structure. So at that level we have a double confluence. And the double confluence of 2,000, where we're expecting it tomorrow, 2040 and 2044. Here to 2644, this will be the zone where you expect where we have an ascending trend line and an ascending trend line breakouts. We have an ascending trend line breakouts and a descending trend line. So let's change the color. So this is what we want to see by the market tomorrow. And another thing we also want to point out is from the top, we have another descending trend line connecting from the previous all-time high, 2,790 into 21. And when we look at our structure, you see we have a clean breaker structure that level. And then so we have your supply roof, we have your supply roof, I will break the structure at this level and price will turn to respect it. And finally, when price look up from that structure, we tested once, and by December 26th, we broke up from that descending structure and returned to buy. So technically, SAU has positioned itself in a buy position. But you need one more confirmation. The confirmation for buy is to allow price. You want to clear breakouts. Price returns to this trend line, then it's a full buy. So this is what we see on daily for SAU. And price came respected 2,606. 2006 or 06, we have a descending, a daily descending trend line. These are market figures. One price return respected the structure. Broke the structure and respected it, a breaking the market becomes a supply rate. The broken supply rate becomes a demand flow. And that is why you're buying today. So you're not buying by coincidence, you're buying because there's great structure. And I said it in my previous post that we have a breakout from a descending trend line. So if you go watch all my posts, I detailed it about breakout from a descending trend line. So this is what we see, and the way SAU is going, if 2025 is going to be a year for the Bulls, then you can expect something like this in the case of upswing, the potential buy rally. But I think SAU will need more correction. I don't know what makes me think so, but I think it will need more correction. I just think it's going to need more correction. What is the structure we have? And we have a beautiful breakout from this level. Yes, remember this breakout. We have a breakout from this structure. So if upswing resumes, central banks measure, yeah, it's talking of gold. So if they return buying, you potentially see gold come to this zone. Yes, so it's going to trade almost close to 3,000. So the next breakout from here, we're going to have a series of bullish buyers, and there's already a trap. There's a liquidity trap at this level, and I know a lot of people are going to fall for it. So if you have a sell order here, better remove it. There's a very high probability that when trade comes here, you take a sell order, return it to buy, and when they return here, you quickly move here without respecting it, because you can see what market have been doing lately, not respecting structure. You know, the reason market will not respect structure is because a lot of people understand the structure of market and the price movement. So one of the ways to make you look like you don't know what you're doing is to disrespect your analysis. So this is a liquidity builder after the head and shoulder structure. Price broke the neckline, retested the neckline one, retested the neckline two, retested the neckline three. So it has already built a sell liquidity at this area. A lot of people are holding so much money on sell at this level. They are going to turn them to buy. Yeah. So if you're selling at this level, well, I'll tell you because address your stop loss. This is a trap. It's a liquidity trap. So you don't fall for this sell liquidity. So for you to think that price will come back here again and give you another bid, yes, it's possible. But I mean, it doesn't look smart. It doesn't look smart to believe that price will come here again and sell down. Yes, it's possible because the liquidity trap, you will have to look at orders at this level for sale. Is it worth it? If it's worth it, maybe you might just let it go. If it's not worth it, to break this structure, continue to move on. So SAU most likely will be very much bullish into 2025. And the structures we were looking at, we expect that they're going to be broken. It's still pending, but however it's pending, we must still keep those structures in mind that in the future, if we tap into 43, 2006, 43, and it becomes a bearish move that we crave for SAU US, then it will be a good time to see price play in this zone where we look out for potential bullish opportunity to go up from the day candle perspective. So if you have a day candle closing coming at this level, subsequent day is going to be bullish. And this is what we're going to see today, shall be FSL.